No print screen key? No problem. Taking a screenshot on Windows doesn't require a dedicated key anymore. Whether your keyboard's missing the button or you're using a compact laptop, there are multiple fast ways to capture your screen. Before we get into it, like this video and subscribe for more simple PC tips that just work. Let's go over the best methods. Method 1. Snipping tool built in. Press Windows key plus Shift plus S. Your screen dims and you can drag to select the area you want. It's instantly copied to your clipboard. You can paste it into Paint, Word, or email. Want to find it later? Open the Snipping tool app, click New, and take a screenshot with options like rectangle, window, or full screen. Method 2. Xbox game bar. If you're gaming or just want fast access, press Windows plus G. Click the camera icon in the toolbar. The screenshot saves to videos captures. Great for full-screen games and clean desktop grabs. Method 3. Use third-party tools. You can also use Lightshot, Greenshot, ShareX. These tools give you editing, cloud saving, and even hotkeys for fast access. If this helped you screenshot without print screen, like and subscribe. We've got more keyboard-free tips on the way. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.